Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and we are on day 5, which means we are on December 18th. And it is getting close to the big guy making his final big appearance. And so, how cool is that? So, I am counting down the 12 days of Advent Christmas box with Keepsake Quilting. This is day 5 for me. So, kind of excited to see what is in there and what is going on. And um, so far, it's been an interesting box. They provided a plastic bin, an ornament. They did give us 2-yard cuts of fabric and a few other things. So let's take a look and see what did they bring to us for day 5. Oh, so for day 5, it is a Christmas novella. It's a quilt for Christmas. It is about a 170-page book about a quilt for Christmas, a Christmas novella. It says Christmas should be celebrated with family, but for Vera Swanson, that's not an option this year. Widowed and recently relocated, she is lonely in her condo for one until little Fiona Albright knocks on her door needing help. So, if you're a big reader, this may be fun. The fact that it is around a quilt for Christmas theme in that does resonate with us. For me, I do audiobooks, so this is definitely not something I would have picked up, even if I seen it in a quilt store. It's a fine gift. I'm sure there's plenty of you out there that read and don't just quilt and sew all day. So maybe it's a nice alternative for you. It's just not one that necessarily resonated with me, um, but it is what it is. I do appreciate the thought that Keepsake Quilting puts in their boxes. I do think they try to bring a different variety to us, but I'm looking for more fabric notions and patterns and some of those. And I'm just not have not seen that yet in the box. But again, we're only on day 5, but hopefully we're going to build up and finish much stronger. So, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you dropping in, listening to me spend a few minutes with you. It means a lot. And I hope if you're not a subscriber, you'll hit that subscribe button, give me that thumbs up, and all those good things that continue to help our channels grow and make us successful as content creators. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.